Hi, I'm Emmy and I'll be showing how I made this Kasumi Diamond cosplay. First, I sketched the basic design along with some notes. I'm altering McCall's pattern M6956 for the sweetheart top. I'm doing a full circle skirt for the skirt and altering Simplicity's 8061 for the Bolero. I changed the regular sleeve to a puffy sleeve. This is what the patterns look like, however I'll be altering them again based on the adjustable mannequin. I'm pinning all the fabrics together here. I'm using a serger to clean the fabrics up. If you don't have a serger, an overlock stitch or a zigzag stitch will work as well. Case the boning to the upper portion of the bodice. Now the top will have some support on its own. Add the lower portion of the bodice. Make changes based on your mannequin or body, and add a zipper in the back. Add the decoration and laces to the bodice. Moving on to the skirt, I'm adding a 1-inch elastic waistband. I'm making the skirt ruffles with some leftover yellow fabrics. Pin the ruffles onto the skirt and sew it on. Everything currently looks like this. I later changed the design so the skirt will be asymmetrical. Add the green trim and gold ribbon to the edge. This is a 4-inch green trim. I started off the Bolero by attaching the body pieces together. After sewing on the ribbon ends, it looks like this. I'm making a puffy sleeve here by pulling on the loose threads. Attach the sleeve to the body. Add the trim, ruffles, and ribbons. Sew on a snap button closure. Finally, I made a ribbon for the center of the Bolero. For the hat, I serged the 2 circle patterns together. I've created an insert using poster paper and tape so the hat will prop up. Glue on the ribbon and the clips. Glue on the other hat decorations together. The link to the 3D printed pieces is in the description. Here's the finished look of the hat. Continuing on to the large bow, I tested out the design on paper. I'm using a basting spray to glue the green and yellow fabrics together. I drew out the pattern and cut them from the glued fabrics. I'm putting hot glue on the edges to seal the fabrics together. Glue the fabrics and the rhinestones. Make the center bow and glue on the ends. The wrist piece was glued together before a button snap was sewed on. Finally, the leg warmers were made with scrap fabric and elastic. This is how the entire costume looks together. Thank you for watching.